Friends, today we are telling you in this video the secrets of Konark Sun Temple, Odisha. Miracles of Konark Sun Temple, a temple where the souls of dancers come. Lord Surya Narayan also comes among the Adipanch Devas of Sanatan Dharma. On the other hand, out of the Adipanch Devas, in Kali Yuga, the sun is the only visible deity. The worship of sun is also mentioned in the Vedas of Hindus. At the same time, the importance of the sun has been described in every ancient text. This sun temple of Konark is located on the banks of the Chandrabhaga river brimming with blue water. About 23 miles from the city of Puri in the state of Odisha. The temple is completely dedicated to the sun god. Hence, the structure of this temple has also been done under the association with the sun. Konark Sun Temple, like 7 mighty big horses, are pulling chariots. This temple has been designed in such a way that 12 huge wheels are installed in a chariot and 7 mighty big horses are pulling this chariot. And this chariot, but the sun god is shown seated. Here you can directly see the sun god from the temple. The rising and setting sun can be seen in full from the top of the temple. When the sun comes out, this view from the temple looks very beautiful. It is as if the sun redness emanating from the sun has scattered the red-orange color in the entire temple. At the same time, the 12 chakras that adorn the base of the temple define the 12 months of the year, and each chakra is made up of 8 arrows, which represent the 8 watches of the day. The local people are called the sun god as Biranchi Narayan. The temple is famous all over the world for its unique architecture and is surrounded by high entrance gates. Its face is toward the rising sun in the east, and its 3 main parts, dual Garbhagriha, Nat Mandapa and Jagmohan means pavilion, are in the same line. First is the entrance to the Nat Mandap. After this Jagmohan and the Sanctum Sanctorum are situated at the same place. There is also a secret of this temple about which many historians have gathered information. It is said that Samba, the son of Shri Krishna, got leprosy due to a curse. Sage Katak advised him to worship the sun god to avoid this curse. Samba meditated for 12 years at Konark. At the confluence of the Chandrabhaga river in Mitravan and pleased the sun god Suryadev, who was the destroyer of all disease, also put an end to their disease, after which Samba decided to build a temple of the sun god. After his illness, while bathing in the Chandrabhaga river, he found an idol of Suryadev. This idol was made by Dev Shilpi Shri Vishwakarma from the body part of Suryadev. Samba installed this idol in a temple built by him in Mitravan. Since then, this place came to be considered holy. When the temple started deteriorating due to several attacks and natural disasters, in 1901, the then Governor John Woodburn erected the walls on the four gates of Jagmohan Mandap and filled it completely with sand so that it remains safe and there is no effect of any disasters on it. This work took 3 years and in 1903 it was completely packed. Many times the person going there does not know that the important part of the temple, Jagmohan Mandap, is closed. Later, archaeologists told the need to see the inside part on several occasions and also talked about making a plan to remove the sand. This temple is made in two parts, out of which the rays of the sun used to reach the net temple, and it is said that it used to fall on the idol of this temple with glass or diamond-like metal, due to which its shade was made. At the same time, in an artwork in the temple, a person is superimposed by an elephant and a lion, which is a sign of money and pride and is also a source of knowledge. There is another myth about Konark that even today the souls of the dancers come here. If the old people of Konark are to be believed, then even today in the evening you will hear and chimes of the anklets of the dancers who used to dance here in the king's court. There is also a miraculous thing in this that this temple was built in the form of a sandwich, in the middle of which were iron plates on which the pillars of the temple were stopped. It is also said that a 52-ton magnet was placed over the temple, which was balanced by these pillars. Due to this, the idol of Lord Surya used to float in the air, which everyone was surprised to see. It is said that this magnet was broken by foreign invaders. It is said that due to the magnet placed over the temple, the boat passing through the sea, which was made of iron, got damaged due to this magnetic field by reaching the shore on its own. So the sailors of that time used that magnet, swept aside. Only after that the British could come here.